let's make a back charm today. So I'm going to recreate this cute ball which has a snow base, some snowflakes and little penguins. I also made another one which is a red in color. See, these penguins are wearing some hats, Christmas hats. So that's another back charm. Okay, and this is a keychain that I made. It's in the Christmas theme only. So these are the small little things, shaker elements that I put in this bottle. So you can make lots of things if you have the right material for this. So let me show you how I made this cute ball. So for this we need an ornament, kind of small bauble. Okay, this one is from Dress My Craft, which I used. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking a snow paste. This is a ground texture paste, ice and snow, and then I'm just going to hold this in place and keep the snow inside like so. You can just use any that you have. Lots of brands do the same thing like this. See, and lots of brands have the same product. So the one which I'm using, this is from I Am Mix. It's a Expressions Craft. It's an Indian brand, and I bought it a long time ago actually. So just fill it up as much height as you would like it to be. Okay, just make sure that when you're going to stick this inside, you are just clearing this side of the ball, otherwise there will be no space to fit in the other side of the ball to close it actually. So I'm just removing the excess like that. Now this is the one which I used. This has some snowflakes and some penguins like these, and then I'll take my tweezers and then I'm going to make these quick little penguins sit inside the snow like this. And what I'm going to do is just sprinkle some glitter on the snow so that it looks a bit beautiful. You can use any glitter that you have. See, can you see the effect? It's looking so pretty. Now we will leave it to dry. Now once you're done with both the pieces, I'm going to drop some snowflakes. So I'm just using glossy accent here and putting 2 or 3 drops. Look. Okay, now for sealing this, what we have to do is put the glossy accent on the rim of this piece here. I'm not doing this right now because it's wet. So just put the glossy accent on the side of this and then stick it close so that this piece both meet together like this. It fits very nicely together. See, now you can just see the penguins sitting inside like that. It's so beautiful. Okay, let me just keep it open and let it dry. In the meanwhile, we will just start with the construction of our beautiful back charm. So you can take any chain if you have gold and silver. I'm taking this blue one, right, like this. The main things that you need to put together all of this is some kind of a keychain like this, some kind of chain if you're using it for a keychain, so you need to make it long. But if you're making it for a back charm, then you can make it small as well, just like this one. You don't need to do too much hangings in that. Depends on how many hangings you had. Okay, and similarly in the same manner I made this, and the liquid that you see inside this bottle is this one, crystal clear oil from Dress My Craft. Okay, so I filled this up with in this bottle, glass bottle, and then I put in some shakers and glitters, and so it moves around. Okay, so you can do the same thing. Now let's begin the for this I'm using a silver keychain. So I have cut this chain like that, and then I'm going to attach a jump ring to it. So for maneuvering the jump rings, you can just open it like this, keep it inside like so, and then you can fold it press it with your pliers like that. Like this, and then fold them inside so that the edges are not sharp and they are not obstructing it with anything. Also they are not, harming anybody. So just make sure that the ends of this is very, very normal, like so. Now we are ready to put the this kind of ornament. So again we will need another chain like this, and so, and then I will put it inside on the other end like this, and make it in here, keep the loop in here, and then just close it again. So I hope you like it. Yeah, that's about it. So we can make things interesting like this with our backgrounds and our cute little keychains.